How to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered platform that makes it easy for businesses to build chatbots and other conversational AI applications. With the increasing demand for chatbots and conversational AI, this platform provides endless opportunities for individuals and businesses to make money. In this video, we will examine some ways to earn money with ChatGPT. Making and selling chatbots. One of the most popular ways to make money with ChatGPT is to build and sell chatbots. Many businesses and organizations are looking to chatbots to automate their customer service, sales, and marketing processes. You can build custom chatbots for businesses and sell them for profit. You can also create chatbots to sell on marketplaces like BotStar or BotMakers. Chatbot advice. Chatbot consulting is another way to earn money with ChatGPT. As a chatbot consultant, you can help businesses identify their chatbot needs, develop a chatbot strategy, and build a chatbot that meets their needs. You can get an hourly or fixed project fee for your consulting services. Chatbot maintenance and support. Once a business has a chatbot, it needs to maintain and support it. As a ChatGPT specialist, you can provide maintenance and support services to businesses that need help with their chatbots. This can include chatbot updates, bug fixes, and troubleshooting. You can charge a monthly fee for this service. Chatbot training. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to provide chatbot training to businesses and individuals. You can create training courses that cover various aspects of chatbot development and maintenance. This can include how to use ChatGPT, how to create chatbots, and how to maintain and support them. You can sell these courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Content creation. ChatGPT can also be used to generate content for businesses. You can offer your services as a content creator and use ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, and other types of content. You can get paid for each piece of content created. As a result, ChatGPT offers several ways to earn money. Whether you provide chatbot development, consulting, maintenance, training, or content creation services, there are endless opportunities for individuals and businesses to make money with ChatGPT. So, if you have experience working with chatbots and conversational AI, ChatGPT is a platform worth exploring.